all happening here.
Oh, huge!
Absolutely crazy. Fresh as it gets. It really doesn't get better than this. I love it. Welcome to Rod Dog Adventures, and a big welcome back to the Rod Dog Pack, baby. And the mission for today, guys, is we're gonna catch a squid and we're gonna go cook it on the rocks over there. I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe we get into some big fish. Definitely gonna try for some fish as well. This is living, guys. Just pulling up to a place. This is only my second time ever being here, and this place is beautiful. Sending the drone up and seeing the footage around here is insane. This place is something special. This is our weapon of choice. We're going for the bright pink squid jig, baby. The one in front of me over here, that one's just going to be drifting with the squid jig, and then this one with the bright pink one, we're going to be casting out. First cast, baby, and we're onto a squid. This is intense. 2 squids on. Need to get this one in the boat. No, it got off. Okay, let's get this one in there. I can't believe that other squid got off, man. But this one feels even bigger. We're in for it today, boys. Look at that first cast and we doubled up. This feels like a decent squid. Oh. It literally covered me in ink. It was bound to happen, guys. First cast, boy. Yes. Now let's see how many squid we can get. Caught a little skippy, guys. Look at that thing shining in the light. We caught a little herring. Look at this. That beautiful little herring. Stopped off on land there. If you watched last week's video, you know why. But yeah, we actually caught a little squid there quickly. But I'm back here, just a bit down, and I'll see if I take a few casts. Let's see what happens. Maybe we'll get one, but I'm gonna soon head on the kayak back, and then we're gonna cook that squid up, baby. I'm so excited. We're on another one, and this one feels big. Oh, huge! That wind is crazy. This squid is absolutely massive. God, but the wind is blowing too crazy. I'm scared it's actually going to tip me over. It's pushing me out to sea, but that is huge, guys. This is the biggest one so far. Look at that fish. It's absolutely crazy, guys. Rod Dog Adventures, baby. Gonna paddle fast before the rain hits us, and let's get cooking. So I took the smallest squid that we got, guys. This is going to be more than enough for me for this meal. And the other two are packaged. They're in the cooler box to take home. Guys, I'm going to be eating calamari this week. I'm so excited. I wish I could like truly show you guys just the vibe right now. The wind died down, everything's just peaceful, and we got our squid and chips cooking, baby. Check there, look under here. The chips are coming along nicely, and then we're gonna put on the squid. But this is life, guys. It doesn't get better than this. Heading out into the wind, catching some squid, bringing them back, cooking them on an island. Blessed, guys. It really doesn't get better than this. I love it, guys. This is what life is about. All right, our chips are ready. Wonder if you're ever cooking squid. Pro tip, watch out. Squid pops like crazy with hot oil, so always just be super careful. Look at that. Oh man. Some spicy fried calamari with potato chips on a rock in a river. And that right there, guys, is as fresh as it gets. Okay guys, let's try the squid. I cannot tell you how happy I am right now. That is literally so beautiful. And it's been cold, I've been out, I've been paddling all day. And for the cook up to work out so great, man. Let's try one of these potato chips. Now boys, I cooked you. I'm telling you, I cooked. Oh, this is life, guys. I can't stress it enough. Just going on adventures and just whatever happens, happens. And cooking stuff up on the rocks. This is as fresh as it gets, man. I can't tell you how happy I am, man. Absolutely beautiful. Up there, you cannot see it nicely. There's some super weird caves up top there. In the next adventure, guys, we're gonna send the drone up there to see what's inside those caves.